Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Before we start this squishy, we need all these things. Okay, so first of all we need the scissors and we need to cut it whatever shape you want. Like this. I'm just gonna do a square for now. Let's put that there. And then we're going to put the rest of the paper there. Okay. So then, you're going to start with the coloring. These colors I picked. So, if you're making something tall, then you'll do it like okay, so I'm gonna start with the pen. I'm gonna draw ice cream for this squishy. There we go. And if you want, you can do the line. So you just keep coloring. I'm just coloring a ice cream like this squishy. This is going to take a little long, but it's good. Okay, so I'm just going to color it like this. It's going to take a little bit while, but it's okay. Okay. Almost done. Just a few more. Okay. It's not that wild, but if you go fast and you're like artist, then you know what you're doing, and that means you can do it fast. I mean, everyone's an artist, but some people must like be slow sometimes, but some people can be slow, some people can be fast, just people can. If it's very small, you can just color it in. Now, I'm just going to use this highlighter as the top ice cream. I'm using pink because it's my favorite color. And it's a strawberry flavor, so I like strawberry. Okay, I'm filled up. If you want for fun, you can do this. Okay, take this and just show you how how you do the lines. If you don't want lines, you don't have to put it, but I do since I like the lines. Like that. There's that, there's that, there's that, there's that. And if you want, you can do the final. Okay, since we're done coloring, then you're gonna make sure it's like the right shape and make sure the paper's like the same shape. You need sticky tape. And then you're gonna sticky tape. This might take a while if it's tall and big. So yeah. But if you want a little shortcut, you have to make the sticky tape longer. If hair's stuck there, you'll have to figure out how to get it off. Ah. Well, let's pretend that wasn't there because sometimes hair gets in. And I'll try pulling it. Let's pretend it was off. I mean, it looks like it's in part of it. So, I'm gonna do the shortcut. So, if you made an accident, gently, just to like keep it. If you did some accident, you'll have to gently peel it. If you don't know how to peel it, then just try. This part you'll have to not try to peel, and then there we go. If one is not sticky enough, you need a little tape. So then, look at that, it's gone now. So that's how you remove it. You can fix the accident sometimes. Oh, that was hard. Okay. I'm gonna start with the bottom. Okay. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, by the way. Oh, sticky tape. You see this top? Okay. When you're done for the bottom, you have the top. But if you have this to go, you have to keep taping. Oop. Like that and like that. Okay. Now we're gonna use cotton balls as my squishy. thing that we put inside. Oh yeah, I have cotton balls. They're squishy. Yep. Let's pop it in. Then we're gonna pop some more in to make it more squishier. Okay, we got this much. I think we need this much. Okay then. Pop. 2 more left. Okay, that looks squishy enough. Now we're gonna take the top. Oh. The top part is really tricky when you have so many cotton balls. Well, yeah. Okay, we're almost done. Okay. OMG. Okay. OMG, it's ready. It's an ice cream cone. An ice cream. Well, there's your ice cream to play with now. Have fun with it. Bye, guys.